Have you ever had work commitments keep you from practicing a speech? Have you ever been asked to speak for someone at the last minute? I still remember my fear of public speaking a decade ago, and now with over 360 plus workshops and corporate events behind me, I feel much more relaxed and confident. My main lesson to success is practice, practice, and more practice. I have spoken on a broad range of topics for a wide range of audiences, everything from topics in digital marketing to helping startups. However, it all comes down to knowing your material and being ready for any situation. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, digital marketing trainer and keynote speaker and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. My experience has taught me that it is not how long you prepare for the speech, but how effectively you prepare. If you learn how to refine your preparation and delivery skills, you can deliver a great public speech from your own foundation of knowledge and personal style. I would like to share with you some of the tricks I have learned about this important skill from my own experience. Number one, don't quit your day job. Your main task is to deliver manual speeches. You should attempt public speaking only after you have completed a number of manual speeches and are already comfortable as a speaker. By this time, you should know your natural style and the skills needed for successful public speaking. Number two, know your natural style. Public speaking is much easier if you know your natural speaking style. I discovered my natural style on my 5th manual speech. Number three, use positive self-talk. My early public speeches were hobbled by negative self-talk. My inner voice kept telling me that I was inadequately prepared and was destined to fail. I turned around this self-talk by realizing through evaluations that I was speaking to friends who enjoyed my personal stories. I found myself connecting with my audience as if I was talking with each one of them personally. Number four, make a point. Even when you give public speech, you need a structure. The classic opening, the body, the conclusion falls in place if everything you say relates to the point that you reveal at the end. Number five, avoid using notes. Public speech is like a flash flood. It goes where it wants to. Try to force your speech backward to your notes is at awkward and at worst will throw you completely off the track. Abandon your notes and let the rest of your speech flow from your heart. If you must use notes, they should contain only the point you wish to make plus a couple of words to trigger any stories you wish to tell. Number six, deliver it as you have practiced it many times. Don't reveal beforehand that your speech is public. This will undermine your audience reception of your speech before you even begin. Approach the audience with confidence as if you have practiced many times before. Deliver it with vigor and confidence, allowing your ideas to flow as if you are talking to friends. Present your conclusion as if you are revealing something very important. Number seven, be willing to cut it short. Sometimes you have covered only half of your thoughts and you will find a great way to end your story right there. If you think you are close to the green light, cut to the conclusion. Number 8, volunteer to be an evaluator. This is a great opportunity to learn how to organize thoughts quickly and effectively and deliver them seamlessly. Force yourself to leave your notes behind when you give your evaluation so that you learn to think on your feet. Leadership cannot be learned in a day. It takes practice. Company's success also depends on communication. Employees face an endless exchange of ideas, messages and information as they deal with one another and with customers day after day. How well they communicate can determine whether a company quickly grows into an industry leader or join hands with thousands of other businesses struggling to succeed. Content justifies the act of speaking. The speaker has a responsibility to say something meaningful and original to the audience. The listeners should feel the speaker has made a contribution to their thinking. The ideas should be important ones, although this does not preclude a humorous presentation of them. Delivery presentation of a speech carries out part of the responsibility for effective communication. The speaker's appearance should reinforce the speech, whether profound, sad, humorous or instructional. Body language should support points through gestures, expressions and body language. Overall effectiveness is measured in a part by the audience reception of the speech, but a large part of your subjective judgment of how the speech came across. You should ask yourself such questions as, was I able to determine the speaker's purpose? Did the speech relate directly to that purpose? Was the audience interest held by the speaker? Was the subject appropriate for this particular audience? Wish you all the best for your public speaking. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.